Years ago, we were hiring students, and they were very good with analysis, computer design, things like that, but they didn't have a lot of mechanical ability. And in the test world where I came from, we have a lot of hardware. And so we needed students who could handle hardware, handle tools. So we went out to look in the academic world to see why was it that students didn't have that? Why was that not in their education? We found the Learning Factory at Penn State where they were getting it.
I've been with the Learning Factory working at 3 different companies. The engagement with the students, the faculty, the Learning Factory, and the mission of the Learning Factory and what they're trying to accomplish. I thought it was great. It was something that resonated a lot with me personally.
So I was a student 8-9 years ago. I actually did 2 of the Learning Factory projects. I was a mechanical engineer and nuclear engineering majors. Whenever I came out of school and was hired on by Manitowoc, they did the projects as well, so it was something easy for me to jump in and get me back up here to State College.
With Boeing, we're very passionate about engaging with the students at Penn State to help with their curriculum as well as to help with our recruiting. When we recruit here, it is engagement from the time the students are first years until they graduate. We like to build those relationships and build our brand and make sure that they know who Boeing is and understand our values so that they can see themselves in the future working for Boeing.
I decided to do this because I was asked by a colleague to look into a particular project related to Internet of Things, and I didn't have the bandwidth for it because of the other projects I was doing. So I decided to engage with this, and it seemed like a good match because the students are able to spend the time looking into it to answer the questions that I needed to. And again, it was low effort and low cost for me to do that.